Speaking effectively involves organizing points logically, ensuring listener comprehension. Logical order transforms clear speech into meaningful communication. Building blocks include understanding logical order, its importance, and approaches to achieve it. Logical order means ideas follow sensibly, unlike random sequences. Examples include historical timelines or natural cycles. Logical order aids listener understanding, making communication impactful and memorable. Understanding logical order in communication is crucial for clarity. Logical sequence ensures ideas flow naturally, enhancing listener comprehension. For instance, historical events or processes like a chicken's life cycle should follow a logical pattern. Random order confuses listeners, making it hard to grasp the message. Logical ordering aids in effective communication, ensuring the intended meaning is conveyed. Reflecting on logical order involves questioning how ideas are sequenced in speech. Consider why logical sequencing matters and how it aids understanding. Practice organizing thoughts logically to enhance clarity and retention. Encourage learners to reflect on their current methods and explore improvements in structuring their communication effectively. Logical order enhances clarity in communication. Consider historical sequences like Romans to medieval times, or processes like egg to chicken. Logical order aids comprehension, especially in extended speech. Without it, meaning is lost. Effective communication relies on structured ideas, ensuring listeners can follow and retain information. Methods for arranging ideas logically include cause and effect, chronological order, and building from simple to complex. These methods enhance communication by ensuring clarity and coherence. Understanding and applying these techniques helps speakers convey their message effectively, making it easier for listeners to follow and comprehend the information presented. Teaching logical order involves modeling both random and logical sequences. Educators demonstrate how logical order aids understanding, while random order confuses. Learners practice organizing ideas logically, receiving feedback to improve. This approach enhances clarity and retention, crucial for effective communication. Reinforcing logical order in classroom practice involves both speaking and writing. Teachers model logical sequencing, while learners practice through peer interactions. This dual approach strengthens understanding and application, ensuring learners can organize their thoughts coherently. By consistently applying these techniques, students enhance their communication skills, making their ideas clearer and more impactful. Assessing logical order involves observing learners as they speak or engage in activities. Tasks like recounting events, creating instructions, or explaining concepts test their ability to sequence logically. Evaluating skills in cause and effect, chronological order, and idea building ensures effective communication and comprehension. Logical order in speaking is crucial for effective communication. It ensures clarity and understanding. Practice these skills to enhance your communication. Remember, organizing your thoughts logically helps convey your message clearly and effectively. Keep refining these skills for better interactions and impactful conversations.